Hello, it's Nancy today. We're heading toward we're heading along the South Shore. No, that's the lake, but I have to turn again because I got tipped around. Okay. The wind is blowing. There's a dock in the water of this wilderness lake. Somebody must have been able to get out here. Now then, is this the way home? I think I have to pass that dock. Let's see if there's a house up here to go with the dock and the... I see this laundry soap bottle hanging on the floating. That would mean that somebody's water pipe comes down to that. I don't see any houses. Oh look, here's the end of a dock. And there's some lawn chairs. So somebody doesn't live here, but they come down here, their hunt camp. They come walk down here and they go swimming. And there's a canoe, so they go boating. It's a nice spot to have. Wait, I see something over here. I see something yellow. I think it's a building. Yes, it's a yellow house. A cottage. Just a little hunt cottage, I guess. So that must be the way they walk along to get to go swimming. That's their dock out in the water. There's a no hunting sign on the tree. So, this is our way home. Somewhere in there. Let me stick the tree underwater. There we go. There's a little thrush, a water thrush here, walking on the shore, behind the purple flowers. A little water thrush. I haven't seen a water thrush in a few years. I don't know what they sound like. But I think I did know a few years ago. I think we kept finding them as we walked along. We kept hearing them. So we stopped and looked for them and identified them and listened to them. And then I knew it all the time after that. I'm going to get out here past all these dead lily pads. Well, they're not dead, they're just on top of the water. And I don't think I really want to be paddling through them. I've lost my strength. My energy is run out. Camera is on crooked. I guess I should point it properly. There, is that better? It's boring to just go right down in the middle. It takes a lot to keep my mind occupied, you know? Hey, see those wires down there? Those wires signify the road. And my car is parked over there. A lot of kingfishers on this lake. Keep seeing them. Kind of weird when you're watching this movie and the horizon keeps tilting. It doesn't make you feel like you're moving, does it? I think I'm just going to have a little nap now. I think I've kayaked enough for a while. I'm just going to close my eyes. Excuse me. And go to sleep. Night night.